welcome back to another video. I've got a new e-file to show you today. I bought an e-file off this brand. This is the brand there, Delanie. About a year ago, there's a video on my channel actually. It's a really cute e-file. And they messaged me the other day saying they'd saw my video, would I like to do a review or a video or whatever. Could they send me their latest drill? So this is it. They've sent me their e-file. It's not a paid review. It's not a refund review. I always say it. I do not do that at all on my channel. Whatever I get sent, whatever I buy, it all gets the same treatment. I'm going to review it, and I'm going to review it honestly. So let's have a look. So it's 35,000 RPM, LED display, rotary speed. What else have we got? Forward direction, reverse direction, low vibration, low noise, high speed, low heat. Should we just get it open and have a look? So these are called Delanie. The e-file I got off them last year. It's really cute. It comes in grey and pink. A couple of the girls went out and bought it actually, and they really, really liked it. So let's get into this one. I actually haven't opened it. It's been sat there for 3 days and I haven't opened it. What I can see when I first open it, should I show you? As soon as I opened it, look what's on the top. Ooh, it's a pink handpiece. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? Oh. Right, let's get it out. That's gorgeous. Oh, it's quite heavy and small and cute. And I can see already it's got one of these twist lock for the drill bits, which I like. I don't like the e-files where they just push in because they're never that secure. Right, so there's the handpiece. Great start, being pink. I've just been playing with my resin, so everything's a bit mucky. It's got a foot pedal. Cool. Cool. It looks like it's got a really long wire as well. I've never used a foot pedal. I probably won't use this one, but for salons and stuff, I think it's great, isn't it? Right, so we've got a foot pedal. Leave them there. It's got some sanding bands with it. Looks like there's a mixture in there of fine, medium and coarse. Yeah, there's definitely a mixture in there. Cool. We get through them, don't we? Right, we've got a USB lead. So is it not a plug? Right, so it's not a plug. It's a USB type 2, I think that is. Right, so it's got some bits, standard bits, but they're like oil slick. They're so cool. They're diamond bits, aren't they? Right, let's carry on. Right, so this is the actual body, base, motor, whatever you call it. So let's get this open. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that pink. It's blinding. Look. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. This is really nice. Wow. I love that. It's so bright. So that's where your handpiece sits in there. This is really, really cute, guys. Right, let's get it plugged in. Right, so the small end of the USB goes in there where it says input. And then obviously that will get plugged into your socket. I think we've all got these sockets. We can't live without them now, can we? Right, and then the handpiece goes into that bit where it says motor. And then this bit is for the foot pedal. I will test it, but I probably won't use that. Right, so let's have a look. It's not very loud at all. It's really not very loud. That's flashing, but it's only flashing on camera. It doesn't flash off camera. I don't know why my camera does that, but sometimes it does with digital displays, but it doesn't flash in real life. That's just the camera. Right, so how do we change it from reverse to forward? I'm going to have to read instructions. Alright guys, it's actually a touch screen. This RF, look, it's on reverse. If you press it, it changes it to forward. Press it again, it changes it to reverse. Right, so let's put it in forward. This is actually chargeable, so I don't actually need that plugged in because the battery is full. So you don't even need it plugged in. You can just charge it on a night time and use it in the day. Right, I'm going to get one of my bits out. We'll try the sanding band first actually, and I'm going to sand through this gel polish. This is a base coat, 2 coats of grey, and it's got some blobs and silver leaf on it. So we'll try the gel polish first, and then this is quite a thick polygel nail, and we'll see if we can get through that without it stuttering and stopping. So when you get a new e-file, they normally come with these, and I think it's just to stop the barrel getting damaged. So we're going to turn it to the left to unlock it, and then we're going to slide the sanding band in and lock it again. Right, so I'm going to put it on, keep it on forward, and I'm just going to put it on 5. We'll just have it on number 5. This is 35,000 RPMs, so this is on 5,000 RPM. Very, very low speed. I should have my dust collector out really, but I can't be bothered. So I'm just going to see 5,000 RPM. Oh my gosh. So that, just on number 5, has got that gel polish off. No bother. No bother. Right, let's swap this over, because we all know these are powerful to get gel polish off, don't we? What we really want to know is it powerful enough to cut through polygel? So I'm going to use one of my own bits. I don't know if this is medium or coarse. I haven't got a clue, but we will see. Right, I'm going to put it on number 8. I'm literally just going to go straight across the bottom. Should I bring you in a bit now? I don't want to shave my own nails off. Can you see that? Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. It's not stuttering, it's not stopping. Oh my god. I'm well impressed with that. Number 8 as well. Yeah, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Let me get rid of this dust, guys, because I can't speak when this is all over me. Right, guys, I had to stop recording. This foot pedal is to turn the handpiece on and off, so you don't have to use your hands on that. So this foot pedal, it doesn't change the speed, make it faster or slower. It literally turns it off and back on, off and back on. So that's what the foot pedal does, turns it on and off the handpiece. I really, really like it. I do. I'm really impressed. I love this pink. It's so bright and shiny. I love the handpiece. That's really cool. It just sits in there. I love that it doesn't have to be plugged in. It can just be charged and sitting. And it is really small. It doesn't take up much room on your desk at all. I really, really like it. It's so cute. It is. The one I got off them last year wasn't digital, so I never know what speed it's on. I do like to know what speed it's on. Yeah, so that's it. I think I've covered everything. I love that it comes with these diamond bits that are like oil slick or multi-chrome, I don't know what you call it. I do like that. But yeah, that's it guys. I wasn't meant to do this video till next week. The reason I've done it today is because Delanie on Amazon, they've got a massive sale starting on Monday, this Monday coming, and the sale lasts for a week. So I didn't want to do this video in a week's time when they've literally just finished a sale. So I thought, right, I'll get the video done just before the sale starts. They have actually sent me a gel polish set, 9+3, so it's 9 colours, and it comes with a top, a base and a matte. I will do a separate video on these, and it's a pink kit guys, look. Starts from white and gets darker and darker and darker pinks. That's the best choice they could have ever picked for me, a pink set. I will do another video on them, but I just wanted to get at least one video out just to let you all know about the sale starting. Really good drills. I've been really happy with the one I got last year. Yeah, I can't fault it, and it's pink. But anyway guys, that is it for today. If I did miss anything and you've got any questions, just ask me. I'll leave the link in my description box to this e-file, and I'll leave the link to the Delanie store as well, and keep your eye out for the sale. They don't just sell gel polish and e-files, I think they sell all other nail products as well. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, bye.